craving for pizza and you don't want to make the pizza dough from scratch, bread pizza is the perfect solution for that.
And if you're looking for fun in the kitchen, pizza bread is the way to go because you can engage your kids, help in the kitchen by making this delicious, cheesy veggie pizza. We have a spicy kick. The cheese melt is perfect. The veggies are soft, tender. Everything is just delicious. What do you think?
I like the mild spicy taste from the black pepper. It's absolutely delicious.
And we have a spicy kick from the fresh chilies. So this is a win-win. You're going to start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. You need a baking tray to make your pizza bread. Also, you need some fresh ingredients. That is some yellow and red capsicum. We have onions, fresh chilies.
And also you need fresh bread, some black pepper, oregano, and some ketchup.
Together with cheese. So you're going to start off by making your sauce, which is a very simple recipe because you only need a third cup of ketchup, some black pepper, and oregano.
Mix until the ingredients are fully combined. And when I'm done mixing, I'm going to spread my sauce on the bread.
Oregano is a very popular Italian spice which adds in a very nice flavor to food, and also it's a signature taste when it comes to pizza. So spreading the sauce is going to create that signature taste to your pizza bread. And as you have seen, we have not made the pizza sauce from scratch, so this is a DIY pizza sauce which is going to be a hit because the ketchup is sweet and also has a very nice vinegary taste. And also it's going to save you lots of time.
Next, it's time for your toppings, and you're going to start with cheese.
Then next, you're going to add in some colorful bell peppers. We have yellow, red, and you can also throw in some green capsicum. Then next, you're going to add in your red capsicum. And as you know, presentation is always 100% in this kitchen. So as you can see, we have arranged the bell peppers in order so that the outcome can get colorful. Then we are going to top up with some onions and chilies. And lastly, you're going to add in some more cheese on top, which is going to make the pizza bread very cheesy. You can add in some cheddar cheese if you have some, because cheddar cheese is very flavorful. I have some mozzarella, which is going to add in that nice cheese ball.
Once done, you're going to bake your pizza bread for 5 minutes at 180 degrees.
5 minutes later, the pizza bread is ready. The kitchen has been smelling so good while the pizza bread was baking in the oven. And as you can see, we have some nice cheesy melts. The bread is crispy on the outside and we have a very nice cheese melt, as you can see. So I'm going to pick my bread. Just look at that, very nice cheese ball.
After 10 minutes in the kitchen, the bread pizza has turned out to be absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see,
it's colorful, delicious, cheesy, and it's going to take only a few minutes of your time, so it's absolutely worth trying. Bye bye.